Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ervina Citra Yuniar with NPM 2341122 from the Management Program of Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. In this video, I will tell you about some material of data collection. Learning objective: 1. Understanding observation technique. 2. Understanding interview technique. 3. Understanding experimentation technique. And the last, understanding survey technique. Kuncoro: data is a set of information. In a business sense, data is a set of information needed for decision making. In terms of data collection, data is separate based on the source of the data obtained, namely 1. Primary data from primary data source, which is the first information provided. 2. Secondary data is obtained from secondary data source, which are people or institutions that have collect data. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is data measured on a numeric scale, or numbers can be divided into 1. Interval data, which is data measured by the distance between 2 points on a known scale. 2. Ratio data, which is data measured by a proportion. 2. Qualitative data. Qualitative data is data that cannot be measured on numerical scale. However, because in statistics all data must be numerical form, qualitative data is generally quantified so that it can be processed further. Qualitative data is generally categorized into 1. Nominal data is data expressed in the form of categories. 2. Ordinal data is data expressed in the form of categories, but the position of data is not the same degree because it is expressed on a ranking scale. One time series data, which is data that is chronologically arranged according to time on a particular variable. 2. A cross-section data, which is data collected at a point in the time. 3. Data polling is a combination of time series and cross-section data. One. Internal data, or coming from within the organization, or external, coming from outside the organization. 2. Primary data or secondary data. 1. Observation. Interview and time and motion study technique carried out by direct observation at the case study and in the field. 2. Experimental and simulation technique carried out by direct observation to obtain laboratory data. 3. Survey technique conduct to obtain individual option data. 4. Delphi technique conduct to obtain group option data. Content analysis technique conduct to obtain primary archival data. 6. Database retrieval technique carried out to obtain secondary archive data. And the last, mathematical modeling technique carried out analytically to obtain research logic data.